and welcome to the video on Google Slides. So the prerequisite to access Google Slides is to have a Gmail account. There are 4 different ways through which you can access Google Slides. So firstly, log into your Gmail account and click on these 9 dots, which is nothing but the Google Apps. As soon as you click on this, it gives you a drop down and here you can see Slides. Click on Slides. So this is the first way through which you can access Google Slides. The second and the third methods is via Google Drive. So again, go for Google Apps and click on Google Drive. Here you can see that there is a new button. Click on this new button. This gives you a drop-down list from where you can choose the option of Google Slides. Under Google Slides, either you can click on blank presentation or you can select templates from the gallery which is provided by Google. So this was the second method to access Google Slides. The third is on the Google Drive itself, there is an option of My Drive. Click on the My Drive drop-down and again you can see the Google Slides option. From here again you can either go in for a blank presentation or you can select from a template which is available inside the Google Slides gallery. The last option to access slides is via the browser. Click on a new tab and write slides.google.com. So in all these 4 methods, as you can see, the screen will be the same. So as soon as you click on Google Slides, this interface will appear. Google Slides offers you a gallery of templates from which you can choose any template as per the requirements of your presentation. If I have to expand this template gallery drop-down, then I can see that it gives me a broad area through which I can select my templates. So under Google Slides gallery, there are options related to work, through education, through personal and various other templates which are available. Also, as you can see that since I have logged in through my G Suite account, there is also a tab or you can say an option of your organization. So once you click on this organization, you can also submit templates as per your own requirements and submit this to all your organization members for them to use. I haven't created a template as of now, but if you wish to submit and let other members of your organization use that template of yours, this is the right method to do it. So submitting this template will enable the organization members to use that template and incorporate the same in their presentations. So this was it for this session. In the next video, we will discuss how to create a presentation, how to insert a background image and a text box, and understand the Explore option.